Friends, students of AMAS. We are very lucky to have with us General Yashmore. Yashmore is a third generation Army officer. A brief introduction about him. He's an alumni of Rashtra, commissioned in the infantry, the guards regiment, commanded the same battalion, and he has had number of prestigious courses which he has done, including Staff College, which he was nominated in Bangladesh. He has, during his service, also been in UN peace missions in Mozambique. He's also done courses in USA, and he's also traveled around the world. Other than Sir has commanded Siberia. He has also been chief of staff of a corps. Now, other than the army, this thing, Sir has also a fitness enthusiast. He cycles a lot. He not only cycles, he takes people along to cycle with him. He's a motivator, not only in the classroom, but also on ground. And I missed out telling you that he's a gallantry award winner, Sena Medal Gallantry, right? So in his young service, he has been on the ground, done a lot of fantastic work for the Indian Army. And now Sir is retired, settled in Gurgaon, still continues for his cycling trips. And maybe someday I'll also have to cycle from Greater Noida to Gurgaon to join him in one of those trips. I also have a cycle. So I look forward to maybe someday cycling with him, though I'll not be able to compete with him. I'm a novice, so he's a professional in that. So without wasting any more time of the class, over to you, sir, for your session of being proactive. I was just telling these boys and girls, proactivity is part of a leadership. A leader cannot be passive, he has to be proactive. And that is what we are going to learn from General Yashmore today. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, MP. It's always a pleasure to come to AMAS and speak to you and to your boys and girls. I think there's the fifth or sixth session that I'm doing for you all from different places. And in this particular thing, I was, when we were deciding last week, and this came to my mind that let's speak on being proactive. This is the number one habit of successful people. In fact, I'll recommend all of you to read this amazing book by Stephen Covey, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This book has sold millions and millions of copies world over. And I got a chance to read this book when I was in Rashtra Rifles, in thick of counterinsurgency and counter-terrorist operations. And I started reading the book. And initially I thought, yeah, this must be for corporate guys. But I'm telling you, I read this book, digested this book, and used all the 7 habits that are given in this book to perform exceedingly well in counterinsurgency operations. So therefore, these habits, especially the number one habit is proactive, being proactive. So I'll speak to you today on how to be proactive in life. Many of these are my own fundas, and in between I'll give you examples also from my own life, how being proactive has helped me. I'll just upload my presentation. Here's my presentation. And this is specially made for you all. And you will, I spent good part of my day yesterday and today to give you a presentation. I'll send you on link also later on. You can take this, print it out, paste it on your, desktops and wherever you want, share it with your friends. So this is how to be proactive in life, lessons in leadership for personality development series. And this is number 1 of that series. So this is what Henry David Thoreau had to say about being proactive. He says, I know of no more encouraging fact than the unquestionable ability of man to elevate his life by conscious endeavor. Unquestionable ability कि इंसान चाहे तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. ये काबिलियत सिर्फ इंसान में है कि वो अपनी जिंदगी, अपनी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है, कॉन्शियसली डिसाइड करके. इसीलिए I don't believe in luck or palmistry or astrology and all that. You can drive your own luck. You can be lucky, you can be unlucky, depending on your own terms and conditions and how you shape your life. So what are the characteristics of proactive people? Who are these individuals who are proactive? First of all, as human beings, we are responsible for our own lives. Don't let somebody else be responsible for your life. So our behavior is a function of our decision and not our conditions. So condition may be anything. external environment. We'll speak about it later. But your behavior is function of your own decisions, what decisions you take. Look at the word responsibility. 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 That means the ability to choose your response. कि आपके हाथ में कि आप respond कैसे करोगे. Circumstances will change. People will nudge you, poke you. There'll be things which upset you. But reacting or giving a response is in your own hands. So though you're young, but you can start practicing it. Highly proactive people recognize that responsibility, that I should respond depending on what I feel like or what my goal is. They do not blame circumstances or conditions for their behavior. They don't complain. They don't blame. Like, you can't come back from an exam or anything to say, yaar, wo to sab mile hue the, wahan to hona hi nahi tha, yaar, wo to banda सामने जो बैठा था वो तो फलानी कम्युनिटी का था, यार वो तो इस रिलीजन से था, मेरा तो होना ही नहीं था वो. Then the temperature was very hot, there's so much of traffic, बारिश बहुत हो रही थी, बर्फ पड़ रही थी, ठंड बहुत थी, यार क्या करेंगे इस ठंड में, मोटरसाइकिल खराब थी. These are all conditions, you can't do much about it. And behavior of proactive people is product of their own conscious choice. When you're thinking, what is the choices you make for yourself? Look inwards. Make your rightful choices, and based on the choices must be based on values that you hold very close, and not on external factors or feelings, like that. Now, this is what I've called the entire thing into 7 ways to develop proactive personality. 7 simple ways, 7 steps. 7, not really, they don't follow a sequence, but this is what I thought. And first of all, please remember, opposite of proactive is reactive. Always remember this. Are you a reactive person? कि कोई कुछ कहता तो आप react करते रहते हो पूरा दिन? Or you're a proactive person. And this one quality in every sphere of life will bring success to you if you're proactive. So we'll see this 7, ways one by one. Firstly, I would say focus more on future. No wonder the windshield of the car is so big. You can see entire thing, left, right, center, up, horizon, on the road and all. And the rear view mirror is so small. It just gives you a glimpse कि कोई overtake तो नहीं कर रहा है. That's about all. So always see ahead. Forget the past. Look forward. Then take responsibility for your success. Don't depend on others. Put effort yourself. Too many times, अभी भी बड़े बड़े बच्चे कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, स्कूल में, सीनियर स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, शादी करा रहे हैं, माँ बाप की उस पर उंगली पकड़ के चल रहे हैं, या किसी और के कहने, यार ये कर लो, ऐसा रहेगा, ये स्ट्रीम ले लो, वो, यार अपने दिल की, look inside, you will get the answers. Then think of big picture. Sometimes in many of the sessions, I've told people to have small goals. That's very good. Must have small goals. But think of the big picture. Think of the final goal. Where do you want to be? Ultimate goal, and work towards that. Uske liye then have small milestones, which can be stepping stones to reach the final goal that you think of. So look at the big picture for everything. Devote your energy only on factors you can control. Too much of time. Many times I feel people are cynical, they are negative. Every time, their negative aspects come out even in a normal discussion, because that is where they are devoting their energy to. So devote energy only on things you can control. What you can control is your physical fitness. What you can control is your weight. What you can control is how smart you look. That is in your hand, yaar. वो तुम्हारे हाथ में. उस पे ध्यान दो. Stop paying attention to things which are not in your hands. Then prioritize. This is an amazing quality. As you go up, you have to prioritize. There are pressures, pulls and pressures from all sides. So prioritize. You can't do everything. People who try to do everything end up doing nothing. So give priority, which is high priority, which is low priority. Accordingly, so big issues, few big issues, uspe, pay attention to those and ignore minor issues. Even if you don't do them, no loss. Think through scenarios. हमेशा ना plan करो mind में कि यार मैं ऐसे करूँगा तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे करूँगा तो ऐसे होगा. So this sometimes should not allow you to sleep at night. I'm telling you, if you think scenarios कि क्या क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होगा, इंटरव्यू में जाऊंगा, वो पूछेगा, मैं ये जवाब दूंगा. Keep wargaming, keep doing this kind of a manthan is the correct Hindi word for that. Manthan karo apne man mein so that you are ready to react to a plan. So everything is not surprise to you. कि भाई कोई कुछ बोल दिया, suddenly आप surprised हो. अरे यार, how can you be surprised if you have thought about it? Then make things happen. Too many times I see people sitting on the sidelines. नदी के किनारे बैठे हैं, देख रहे हैं पानी को, पानी जा रहा है, जाते रहेगा यार पानी. If you want to enjoy the water, dive into it and go cross. But sitting on the sidelines, is not going to get you anything. Take initiative. Too many people are just playing safe. कि यार ठीक है देखेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा, but that will never take you anywhere. So take initiative. Now, what is a proactive behavior? What exactly, I mean when I say be proactive? एक तो चीज ये है कि be a participant. Whether you're at home, you're in an organization, you're in school, you're in college, you're part of a team, you're part of a hobby class, you're part of a cycling club, football team, anything, a music, band. So take active steps. Usme bhi piche mat hato. You should always contribute something or the other. And it starts from your own home. Start working at home. Ghar pe maa baap ki baat suno. Badi bahan, bade bhai ki baat suno. Start from there and take it to your college and class and everywhere. So even teachers like people, students who are proactive, who are, willing to do. So always, again, I'll say anticipate, don't react. Always anticipate. Because proactive people make great leaders. They are thinking ahead. Then self-initiated. Don't look over the shoulder. हमेशा पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं यार, पीछे कौन है, कितने दिन तक पीछे मुड़ के देखेंगे हम. So always self-initiate emotion. Take responsibility for your actions. Say yes, I have done it, and ready to accept mistakes, because mistakes are inevitable. Mistakes will happen. People who don't move don't make any mistakes, and then they don't move forward also. Then this is one of my favorite things, is working from hope of success versus fear of failure. If you can understand this class is done. Hope of success versus fear of failure. जो लोग initiative लेते हैं, people who look forward, who are proactive, they always work from hope of success. They take risks. कि यार इसको करेंगे तो कामयाबी मिलेगी. Lot of people don't do anything because this fear of failure. यार fail हो गया तो क्या होगा, यार नहीं succeed हुआ तो क्या होगा, नहीं यार इसमें तो ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, अरे क्या हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं. Again, work from hope of success. So positive people with proactive image, they always work from hope of success. And I'm telling you, when I read this book and I read this particular thing, after that I must have given hundreds of lectures in military academies here and all. I've been trying to tell young officers the difference between fear of failure and hope of success. In counterinsurgency operations, we worked from hope of success, so we got great achievements. And a lot of people work from fear of failure, and eventually fear will catch up with them and they will fail. And look for solutions and not problems. Problems are plenty of them, but every time look for solutions. How can you help, or what can be the solution to this? Now, as far as proactive leadership is concerned, don't worry about failures and rejections. Someday, maybe next week or sometime, I'll talk to you on how do you face failure, how do you face rejection. Very important in everyday life. There are so many times when somebody say, "Nahi yaar, ye banda maine nahi isko team mein lena." But eventually you will win, and you will win solid. You will win big if you don't worry about failures and rejections. So always, what do? How do you develop this as a habit? How do you practice it regularly, being proactive? So look for people who are proactive and positive. Aapke aaspaas, your teachers, your seniors, your mentors, somebody in the family, elders or youngers. So start looking about for such people. Stop worrying about things that are not in your control. I gave you some examples. They're not in your control. So don't worry about them. Take responsibility for your actions. Celebrate small success. Little thing, some mark somewhere, scoring a goal, hitting a century in a match, winning a small, a tournament, scoring a basket, anything, doing 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers on cycle. Celebrate it. It is for yourself, not for others to see. Always stay ahead of the competition. You know, only way you can stay ahead of the competition is to be informed, to be well read, to be proactive, to plan ahead. When others are sleeping, you're practicing. You're, you know, and find cause to inspire yourself. You know, I always see you're looking for inspiration somewhere else, but it is inside you. So when chips are down, जब लगता है कुछ नहीं है, hopeless है यार, मेरे बस की बात नहीं, I can't do this. I have seen a lot of people who could not run 2 kilometers, and now I see them running marathons. So where did this come from? This comes from inside you. So inspire yourself all the time. Now, this is very interesting. Another thing, if you can understand this, and then you can draw this and you can teach other people also. There is a circle of concern and a circle of influence. So outer circle, जो बाहर का circle है, बड़ा circle है, वो है circle of concern. In this circle of concern, there are a lot of things which are happening which are not in your control. You can't do anything about it. Temperature, weather, people, you know, environment, conditions at home, conditions in college, unit, anywhere. You can't do much about it. Then inside that is a small circle. That is circle of influence where you live. तुम रहते हो उसमें, जो जहां पर की वो सब चीजें हैं जो आपके हाथ में, जो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. तो क्या होता है अगर आप सर्कल ऑफ कंसर्न जो बाहर वाला है, इफ यू थिंक टू मच अबाउट इट एंड पे टू मच ऑफ अटेंशन टू दैट, दैट कीप्स बिकमिंग बिगर एंड कीप्स अफेक्टिंग योर साइकी. सो जो आपका सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस है, जो आपके अंदर है, वो श्रिंक होता रहता है. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस टूट जाएगा, आप कमजोर हो जाओगे, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या करेंगे. हर चीज के लिए यू लुक अप टू समबडी एल्स के क्या करना चाहिए. सो प्रोएक्टिव पीपल व्हाट दे डू, they push the circle of influence outside. They keep pushing outside because that is initiative, that is being proactive, that is being positive. And small thing, reading, writing, practicing public speaking, sports, running, cycling, all of them are part of circle of influence. इसमें किसी का असर नहीं. Instead of watching YouTube at night, you could finish a book at night. It can change your life. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey will change your life. My Experiments with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi's biography, will change your life. So many books will change your life. So that is it. So do that. So aim क्या इसमें कि keep making your circle of influence bigger and push out the circle of concern to the smaller part, absolutely. So that those things which are unimportant, which are not in your control, don't affect you. Now, you want to act or you want to be acted upon. Choice is yours. Choice is totally yours. You want to act, be an actor, be a forward who wants to play, score a goal, or you want to be behind and keep accepting everything that comes your way. Now, just see the language. जो रिएक्टिव बंदा उसकी लैंग्वेज क्या है, there's nothing I can do beyond me. That's just the way I am like this. यार मैं तो पैदा ही मोटा हुआ हूँ. मुझे बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, यार तुम ऐसे कैसे हो गया, इतना वेट कैसे पुट ऑन. सर मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ. अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार. यार why don't you run? No sir, I'm like this. My legs are weak. अरे how can your legs be weak? Make them strong. Sir I can't read. Sir मेरे को ना I just can't read. मैं 2 पेज का सो जाता हूँ. अरे कोई बात नहीं, 2 पेज पढ़ लो. So many times I've seen people, you can get them, and then you blame others. He makes me so mad. या जैसे वो नजर आता है मुझे गुस्सा आता है, बस उसको नहीं मैं tolerate कर सकता. And then you blame the group. They won't allow this. I'm telling you, don't try this. If you go there, they'll not. Then you force yourself. So then I can't. I must. If only I had this. ये मिल जाता मैं कर. But look at proactive people. They're looking at alternatives. Always generating options. In army we are taught, especially in staff college or courses, some of the courses I've done, you're supposed to generate options, alternatives. क्या options और क्या क्या कर सकते हो इससे. I can always choose a different approach. That is why I'm a great fan of unconventional approach. Recently, I've written a paper on unpredictability and unconventional approach to battle winning factor. It's very, very important. Then control your own feelings. वही ना किसी ने कुछ बोला, How do you respond is up to you. Whether you get angry, you'll hit him with a stick, a stone, or you'll just keep quiet and walk away. That choice is yours. Choose an appropriate response. Then this I choose, I prefer, I will, I will, I will. That attitude. That will come. That choice is yours. Now take up the challenge. This is for you all. Just do it. We can speak after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Take the test of, test the principle of proactivity. 30 दिन आप try करो. हफ्ता try करो. क्या मैं proactive रहूंगा, cynical नहीं होगा, negative नहीं होगा, nothing. And work only in your circle of influence. Don't blame anyone. And don't let these things bother you. Too much of traffic. It's very cold. Yeah, cold has not affected me. I was in Ladakh for 2 years. Abhi aaya hu main. Isi saal I came down just before this problem started with China. It was minus 20 and every day morning I was out for my walk or trek. So there's no excuse. I meet a lot of people. So, yaar, how have you become? Sir, actually weather was very bad and 6 months I couldn't do anything. Why couldn't you do anything? Then make small commitments, but keep them. Whatever commitment. This I told you. I think aap log nahi the last time. I told the last batch. Write your mission, your goal. Make a commitment and write it on your study table or your register and all. I will do this in this month, 6 months, or 1 week, and keep them. Be an ideal. Don't be a critic. Criticism is okay. It should be constructive criticism. But some people get into this cynical. They are only criticizing. Be part of a solution and not part of a problem. And in the this thing is play the ball before the ball plays you. I don't know, you have seen cricket now, it's totally transformed. But when we saw cricket or we played cricket, at least Indian team, we used to have such players. Yeah, they would score just in whole day 90 over, they score 160, 70 run. Puri team khilte hi nahi the, bas defend. Then people like Jayasuriya came. Jayasuriya, Virender Sehwag, Sachin Tendulkar, Justin Langer, Adam Gilchrist. इन्होंने bowler को हिला देते थे 1 over के अंदर. कि यार, if the ball pitches and you wait for the ball to come, then you are reacting to the ball. It's so simple. Same thing happened in hockey. Dribble करते रहो, इधर उधर करके glitch कर दो, कुछ नहीं. Then we had this great guys came up and we put our team under some foreign coaches. They said go attack and damn it, get a penalty corner and put the ball in the net. So that is initiative. That is being aggressive. So it's a very, very simple, and all of you play cricket. So play the ball before the ball plays you. If you allow the ball to pitch and you go on the back foot, you don't know. Either you'll be LBW or caught behind. Because there's no chance for hitting a shot. So play on the front foot. Always take a front foot and hammer it. देखी जाएगी. Out भी होना है तो style से होना है यार. LBW क्यों होना है? या caught behind क्यों? You should get caught in the boundary line. At least their shot अच्छी थी. थोड़ी जोर से मारता तो it could have been a 6. So do something like that. And this is my parting shot for you. The 6 key takeaway lessons from this presentation. All 6 of them are important. Work on improving yourself. Look inside you. Answer to yourself. And you will see improvement coming. Make proactive. Make it a habit. Start from the morning. Make every day this as a habit. How to be proactive, how to have initiative, energy, passion, do that. And keep a positive attitude, can-do attitude. People should approach you. Learn, unlearn, relearn. This is my favorite. One of my favorite things I keep telling youngsters. Leave your old baggage. Jettison it. छोड़ दो पुरानी कहानियां जो तुमने सीखी हैं. माँ बाप से या इधर उधर से, कास्ट, कम्युनिटी, रिलीजन, सब बकवास है. ठीक है? Be prepared to learn, unlearn and relearn, and that will make you a better person. So no rigidity, no old baggage. Always new, always new. Get on with the technology. What is coming? Hope of success versus fear of failure. I told you about this. It is a key to success. ठीक है? Risk taking. This is risk taking. Hope of success is risk taker, जो risk लेते हैं life में. And get outside your comfort zone. Many of us are in the comfort zone. कि जी ट्यूशन लगा हुआ है, अभी वो पास हो गया, अभी फिर ट्यूशन लगा लिया, अभी ये दिस ऑल कंफर्ट जोन. Someday you'll have to really succeed in life, you'll have to come out of the comfort zone. Sitting in, in your own little box where everything is provided to you may not help. So, boys and girls, this is my small, this thing to you on how to be proactive, how to be positive, how to have initiative, how to be a winner, how to be a winner. So with that, I will, I will end my small presentation here, and then I will take, I'm ready for your, whenever you're ready or director wants, we can have a small discussion, and any of these things I've spoken or anything else you would like to know. Jain.
Thank you so much, sir, for that really proactive lecture and full of energy. I'm sure these young boys and girls would really draw not only inspiration from your life, from your career, and also to energize themselves and to be proactive. And whatever level they are, even if as a student, they have to be proactive. If they are into a job, they need to be proactive. Many of them are soldiers here who need to be proactive for the tasks which the seniors give them. Most of the time, we find they're, only following orders. But good are the NCOs, JCOs who come and say, okay, sir, we can do like this also.
Exactly.
And the officers always, sir, we used to appreciate such junior leaders who would come try and tell us, okay, sir, this option also is available. So with that, students, any one of you wants to ask, Sonika wants to ask a question. Okay, Sonika, you can ask a question. Put your audio on.
Come on video.
In fact, sir, Sonia is one of our students. She's already cracked SSB once, and she's again going shortly. Okay. She's cracked for Air Force, awaiting the merit, and now going again for the next attempt also. Okay. Sonika, you can ask a question. What do you want to ask, sir?
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have a doubt, like how we deal with this fear of failure. Like I have found few means like meditation or yoga, or even I go for a run when I feel this thing that I'm failing in something. But I'm never able to eliminate this thing. Like it is always somewhere there whenever I'm thinking of the best possibility, but still this thing is there. And it really haunts.
Thank you. You ask a very candid question. And the very fact you are so candid, where are you calling from?
Sir, I'm sitting in sunlight outside my home.
Where?
Haryana, sir.
वही इसीलिए मैंने पूछा ना. It looks like my own village, my own home. Where in Haryana?
Yes, sir. In Charkhi Dadri, sir.
Okay. So I'm born in a village. So देखते ही मैं backdrop समझ गया कि वो गांव का घर नजर आ रहा है पीछे. छत के ऊपर बैठे हो तुम. Very good.
It's my old house. Yeah.
Good. See, the very fact you are speaking from your village in Charkhi Dadri on an afternoon and on a technology like this and speaking to me is you have overcome your fears. There's no fear. It's all psychological.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
But no, that is giving credit to girls like you. And मेरे गांव में भी मेरे आसपास बहुत लड़कियां हैं. I really appreciate this generation of women of India, really, and you are one of them. See,
Thank you.
How do you overcome fear of failure? Is constantly working from hope of success, constantly taking risks or setting little objectives. Say going for run, जब धुंध है, नहीं सब कहेंगे यार लड़की है क्या पागल है, ये कोई जाने का टाइम है, बाहर तो अंधेरा है, but you challenge yourself and you come back, you feel so happy. Today there was fog here in Gurgaon and I just picked up my cycle. Generally I do 20. Today I did 30. And everybody at home, यार तुम कहाँ हो? मैंने कहा यार अभी आ रहा हूँ. I did about 32 kilometers. But when you come back, the joy of taking that risk, the joy of hope of success, कि नहीं यार आज 30 करेंगे, 40 करेंगे, weekend है, 3 days में let's do 100 kilometers. So these small little things make you feel happy. It gives you happiness. And fear of failure, यार ठंड है, इतनी cold है, अरे ठंड हमें क्या कहेगी यार? How can that cold affect people like you and me? It's okay. We are all born here. यही जिए, यही मरेंगे हम. ये हमारा मौसम है ना? So start taking the small risks. doing push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, reading a book, or challenging yourself to learn something new. So these are small little things, and don't fear. The mind will always tell you. Mind will always tell you the fear part, but let your heart, guide you. Sometimes heart always tells you, इसलिए दिल ऐसा होता है ना, वो बाहर लेके जाते हैं हमें, फूल पत्ते अच्छे लगते हैं, लोगों से मिलना अच्छा लगता है, पेट्स अच्छे लगते हैं. So great beta, great to see you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Next question, Manish. Please ask, Manish, what is the question you want to ask?
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Manish.
My question is like, whenever I speak in front of some people, I feel very conscious about my language or something like that. So what things should I inculcate in my daily life habits so that I'll overcome that?
See, Manish, सबसे पहली बात तो ना, don't get overawed by anyone. ठीक है, overawed means किसी से घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. हर इंसान अपने आप में बहुत capable और एक नायाब शख्सियत है. All of you, each one of us is an amazing creation of nature. Since I am an atheist, so I don't say too much about gods and all that. ठीक है, नेचर के क्रिएशन है हम सब. So किसी दूसरे इंसान से ना हमें दबने की या घबराने की या झिझक की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड मैं जब तुम्हारी उम्र में था, कॉलेज में था और फौज में जब आया, मैं सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट था, 1 स्टार. हमारे टाइम पे 1 स्टार पास आउट होता था. एंड एक एक्सरसाइज थी, बहुत बड़ी एक्सरसाइज, ब्रास टैक्स. और एक दिन मेरे को, नया था, मेरी 1.5 साल सर्विस हुई थी. जनरल सुंदर जी जो चीफ थे आर्मी के, वो और डिफेंस मिनिस्टर वहां लैंड कर गए जहां पर कि मेरी कंपनी का कोई वो चल रहा था, कुछ हमने कुछ दिखाना था उनको. इमेजिन आई एम द जूनियर मोस्ट एंड द चीफ लैंड्स देयर विद द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर एंड ऑल दैट. एंड देयर वाज नो वन अराउंड. उनका हेलीकॉप्टर बस उन देखा, कुछ यहाँ गाड़ियां, कुछ बंदे, वो आ गए. एंड द वे आई मेट हिम, पता नहीं कहां से वो जोश आया, क्या था, या मेरी फितरत में था ये. हमने जोर से तो हाथ मिलाया, उनसे अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, अपनी यूनिट के बारे में बताया, उनसे 15-20 मिनट बात की. और बाद में सब कहते हैं मेरे कमांडर जी, यार वो सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट तो कमाल कर दिया, उसने चीफ को घुमा दिया पूरा. तो डरने की क्या बात है, जितना बड़ा आदमी आए उतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस. ये आज से अपनाओ मनीष. जितना सीनियर सीओ है तो और कॉन्फिडेंट, ब्रिगेड कमांडर और कॉन्फिडेंट, ठीक है, घर में बड़ा है तो और कॉन्फिडेंट. ठीक है, दैट इज माई मंत्र, कि जितना बड़ा आदमी आए उससे और कौन, उसको क्या पता यार, हमें ज्यादा पता उससे, एटलीस्ट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन वेयर ही इज विद अस. सो दिस, इनकलकेट दिस, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, अपने आप आएगा. ये हैबिट बनाओ, ये बीइंग प्रोएक्टिव.
Thank you, sir. Next question, Deepti.
Hello, sir. Firstly,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
It was such a great to hear from you. My question is how to not get affected. Like under stress, we tend to behave in a certain way and tend to self-sabotage ourselves only. So how not to do that?
Oh, it's a wonderful word you use, self-sabotage. Wonderful. What are you doing?
Sir, I'm preparing for defense services.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Delhi, sir. Old Delhi, Purani Delhi.
ओके. नहीं देखो, हाँ, स्ट्रेस वही ना, जो कंसर्न वाले, आई टोल्ड यू सर्कल ऑफ कंसर्न ना, उसमें स्ट्रेस इज देयर यार. जो चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, दे गिव अस स्ट्रेस, है ना. कल को क्या होगा, वो क्या सोचेगा, इसके बारे में, उसके बारे में. एंड यंग पीपल हैव सो मेनी, हमारी स्ट्रेस और है, बच्चों की, इसकी, उसकी, रिलेटिव्स की, पता नहीं कितनी तरह की, बट आप लोगों की भी है, जो है स्ट्रेस है. सो वही चैलेंज है कि हाउ टू ट्रेन योर माइंड टू टेक योरसेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम दिस एंड पुट योरसेल्फ इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटीज. दैट इज व्हाई रीडिंग, रनिंग, स्पोर्ट्स, हॉबीज, माइंड को डाइवर्ट करना है. फाइनली माइंड जो है ना, बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. दिस इज व्हाट गिव्स अस स्ट्रेस. दैट इज व्हाई स्ट्रेस में पीपल पुट ऑन वेट, people start smoking, drinking, become lazy, start having kind of a feeling of helplessness. How can an individual be helpless if you're proactive? So that is up to you. So be in company of good people, consult good people. When you feel low, call them up, or watch Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev, or read Vivekanand, read शब्द सुनो गुरु गोविंद सिंह के, गुरु नानक जी के शब्द सुनो, गुरबाणी सुन लो, बुल्ले शाह को सुन लो. ठीक है. हाँ,
Alright.
कबीर को आई एम टेलिंग यू, यहाँ तो ट्रेजर है, बट ट्रेजर इनमें नहीं है जो भाषणबाजी चलती है रोज. ये सब बकवास है, प्लीज इससे दूर रहना. ठीक है. So
Also,
don't allow
one
yourself to be self-sabotaged. Remain positive. By mind ko, you have to take your mind away when the stress is coming. Take your mind away. Easier said than done, but by practice. I don't do meditation. My meditation is on the wheel when I'm cycling or when I'm walking or running. That is my meditation. My mind is free to discuss all these things and all. In fact, this point of play the ball before the ball plays you was going on in my mind throughout today's cycling. What should I tell? How do I, tell you all this particular thing?
all right.
So
Thank you
good.
so much, sir. One more question, sir, if may I?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Sir, I'm just curious, how many courses you did after your service? Like, just curious to know if you can
See,
answer them.
I did some of the, I did the young officers course, which is compulsory. Then I did the motors course, that is, firing indirect. Then I did the junior command, senior command, higher command, staff college in India, staff college in Bangladesh. Then I went for a course to US. Then I did a course with the IPS Academy in Hyderabad. I did a course with the National Institute of Advanced Studies in Bangalore. And I've been teaching students, I've been an instructor also in staff college. So this is part of learning, just part of learning. And every course has transformed me somewhere or the other.
So good to hear
Thank
it
you,
from
sir.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, we'll end the session here. I think one more question from boy Ranjit Rai. Please introduce yourself, Ranjit. So I'm not able to recognize you. Introduce yourself, then ask your question.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir, I'm audible.
Yes.
Thank you so much, MS, for giving this platform. My name is Ranjit Rai. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. Basically, sir, I'm in final year electrical engineering in Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology in electrical department. Sir, recently, sir, I fill up this short service commission for SSB. Sir, personally, sir, I feel a fear of giving my first attempt SSB because some of my friends said that that first attempt must be, prepared one. So I'm not much prepared. I feel like that. So I would like to ask MS director for this. This question is for MS director. I should I should attempt or I should.
Okay, so I've understood your fear. Don't worry. Sir, with your permission, I'll take this student. You are following us on for the English course, Ranjit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, we
sir.
have shared the password on that. So, have you got an SSB date?
Not so far, sir. Not yet.
Yeah. Not yet. So, can I tell you that? Can you leave that fear on us? You transfer that fear to us.
No, okay, sir.
Okay, you remove that fear of failure from your mind, and you hand over that fear to us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we will train you adequately. So once you're well trained, when you go for any interview, if you're well trained, if you know the procedure, that fear will go. Till the time you know about it, till the time the fear is of unknown. You don't know what is going to come, right? How you're going to tackle. What are the kind of questions you face? So like you're studying in class 12th, before the final exam, the fear is there. What kind of questions will be asked? And if there's no teacher to guide you, you will be scared. How should I answer them? So once you are preparing for SSB, we will let you know how to prepare, what are things, since you are from a far eastern corner of our country, maybe you don't have opportunities, maybe you don't have so many friends who have faced SSB. That is the reason of fear, and the fear is nothing but fear of unknown, which is a very natural fear. Every class 12 student, before he is sitting for the board, because he is sitting for the first time, that fear is there. So what should you do? Go to some mentors, they will allay that fear, they'll remove that fear, they tell you this is what is going to come, and you have the capabilities. If you don't have, we'll prepare your capabilities to face that. So I hope that answers you, Ranjit.
Anyone else? There are some questions typed here. If there's anyone else before we call it off.
One more question, sir. Rishit is asking how to overcome the fear of result. That is the same thing, I think, what I mentioned, fear of failure. Who's this real me? He has not typed his name. I feel nervous at talking in English to someone on a topic.
Yeah,
but
this is Manish, I think. This was Manish or
the last question, sir, is real me.
Jai Hind, kaun hai?
Sipahi Manjit, sir. From APS.
Manjit, bolo.
Manjeet, ask your question.
Sir,
Yeah.
I feel nervous, sir, when I am talking in front of in English, but I have knowledge of that topic, sir, in Hindi.
हाँ, कहाँ से बोल रहे हो तुम?
सर मैं दिल्ली सर.
कौन सी यूनिट है तुम्हारी?
APS सर.
APS में तुम?
हाँ सर.
ओके ओके. पहली बात ना, तो ये फेयर आ रहा है लैंग्वेज की वजह से, है ना
सर?
है ना, लैंग्वेज
बेसिकली I am also basically from Haryana, Jajjar, but I can't.
कोई बात नहीं, you know, it takes time. ठीक है.
Yes.
तो जहां तुम्हें ये लगे कि यार तुम सही अपनी बात नहीं कह पा रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ लैंग्वेज, वहां फिर अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोलो.
सर.
ठीक है. एंड स्लोली सिंपल ट्राई एंड इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज. आएगा, टाइम लगता है, और जैसे ये डायरेक्टर बता रहे हैं आपको, अगर प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो 3-4 months के अंदर
I am also work on it, sir.
हाँ,
I take an online classes on AMA spoken classes.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
सो इम्प्रूवमेंट है ना, काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट
sir.
है. यू आर क्वाइट
Yes,
गुड.
yes, sir. I am
ना?
better from past, sir.
हाँ, यू विल बिकम बेटर. तो
Yes,
उसको क्या करो, ट्रांसलेट करना बंद कर दो, कि पहले हिंदी में सोचो फिर उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करके बोलो. ठीक है. धीरे धीरे सिंपल सेंटेंसेस अगर बनाओगे तो दिस फियर ऑफ लैंग्वेज विल गो. ठीक है. इट्स जस्ट प्रैक्टिस.
So the fact that he is able to ask question in such a huge forum,
Yes, absolutely.
itself shows that he's developing that confidence.
Yeah, you're talking to a general यार.
हाँ.
कितनी कमाल की बात है, आपने बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंटली सवाल पूछा.
कॉन्फिडेंस का वो जो स्पार्क है वो आ चुका है.
हाँ, आ
Only
चुका है.
thing now practice is required to build up that confidence.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there are no more questions. I would
So,
like you to give your
thank you very
concluding
much.
remarks.
It was wonderful talking to you all. Great questions, I'm telling you, from this batch. And I'll share this presentation. It's all yours. I made it for you.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
And I'll send it to the director. You can send it to all your.
I'll share it. I'll
this
share
thing,
it
you
with
know.
the students.
Absolutely no. Such a pleasure to talk to you all. Keep working hard. Be proactive in life. Take initiative, and life will change. It certainly will change for all of you. Thank you so much. Seeing you all. Bye. Jai Hind.
End of it, sir. I would like, from the core of my heart, to thank you for sparing your time, as always you do, with a sole motive, a selfless service, to give it back to the society. Let me share with the students. Sir is doing a selfless service to giving back to the society. Nothing more than that. And that is the main thing which we appreciate. And I always make it a point, at least once in each batch. Probably is going to be another twice in this batch. We are going to get sir. We'll see the classes, how they fit in, and when we can call him again. Once again, sir, thanks a lot, sir. Jai.
Okay. All the best. All the best to you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.